Greeting you, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. The first currency pair to analyze today is the Euro US dollar. The strong recovery of 1.2973 will look to challenge the 1.3191 interwave lower high and key resistance at 1.3201, the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level of the 1.3322, 1.2973 decline also lies near 1.3191, and Euro bears will look to defend 1.3201 resolutely, as a weak close above 1.3201 would leave the 1.3322 high vulnerable next week. Support in the 1.306, 1.367 area will look to contain weakness, and unless a sustained break below 1.306 would re-expose the 1.2973 low. Weekly chart Euro US dollar trend is bearish. As next currency pair is US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Extend the powerful short-term trend to a fresh 15-week high at 79.18. The influential 260-day moving average lies near 79.18, but there is scope for further gains to the resistance line at a 29-month downtrend at 79.31 for the month February, and the previous reaction high at 79.55. Set last October. Support at 78.67 has become pivotal for the short term, which protects 77.75. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bullish. The next currency pair for today is Great Britain pound US dollar. The lower high at 1.5826 is under threat, and an upside break is expected. This week's low at 1.5645 will be confirmed as a Great Britain pound bear failure on a push above 1.5826, paving the way for return to the February 8th reaction high at 1.5927. Weakness will attract support while above 1.575, although downside risk is considered limited. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is range. The next intraday is US dollar versus Swiss franc. The sharp setback of 0.93 has room to extend the 0.9135 support area. Support at 0.9135 would come into focus on a break below 0.9176, and 0.9135 is the last line of defense protecting the February 9th reaction low at 0.9088. There is initial risk for recovery towards 0.942, but only above 0.927 would reopen the 0.93 peak. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. The last currency pair for today is Australian versus the US dollar. Remains choppy within a bullish consolidation phase between 1.0629 and 1.0847, keeping projected support at 1.0603 intact, maintains the overall positive tone, and the range high at 1.0847 is likely to be retested. Longer-term Australian dollar bulls are still on course for targets at 1.1. Only below 1.067 would undermine their bullish outlook, exposing 1.0692. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova. See further details on our site grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade. See you later.